Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In my last video, one of you asked about subject-wise teachers that you can refer to for UPSC, especially if you are a beginner. So I thought why not cover that in this video. First of all, it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed because the UPSC space is flooded with new teachers and materials every single day. So, today I'll be sharing the teachers and resources for the foundational subjects that I have personally referred to at different stages of my preparation journey. First, let's start with history. One really good teacher is Abhishek Srivastava sir. I have watched his ancient and modern history lecture series on YouTube and they were really helpful. He covers timelines in a very structured manner, which makes it great for beginners. Even if you are not a complete beginner, I think you can still benefit from his series. He has also covered medieval history, but I haven't personally referred to that, so I cannot comment on it. Now let's move on to economy. This is one subject where conceptual clarity is very important. Honestly, I haven't found one single teacher who worked perfectly for me in the subject. I have heard a lot about Mrunal Patel sir's material and I did start reading it, but personally I did not like it that much. There's absolutely no hate to the teacher, it's just a personal preference. I found the material a bit cluttered. It includes Hindi translations and also memes, which some people might enjoy, but I personally prefer a cleaner, more straightforward format while studying. Right now, I'm mainly following Vivek Singh sir's book, and I really like it. The explanations are simple and they are easy to understand. Along with that, I also use ChatGPT quite extensively for conceptual clarity. For polity, one can completely rely on Sarmat Mehraj sir from an academy. He's really good. His explanations are really clear. I really like his way of teaching also. Talking about science and technology, one really good resource can be Shivin Chowdhury sir's lectures from Sarthya. So I have personally watched the free video lectures that are available on their YouTube channel and he explains the basics really well. He has a strong expertise in biotechnology since he's a doctor, which is a big advantage for the subject. Finally, coming to geography, one excellent teacher without any doubt is Sudarshan Gurjar sir. I had watched his world mapping lectures right after my 12th standard and currently I'm revisiting his updated lectures again. So, for geography and environment, he can be a one stop destination. Another great resource is the YouTube channel of Amit Sengupta sir. I have watched a lot of his videos during the initial phase of my preparation. He explains the concepts through animation, which is extremely helpful for subject like geography. Also, just to clarify, in this video, I have only talked about the teachers because that was specifically what the comment was asking for. I haven't covered any study materials here. And if there is anything else related to UPSC preparation that you want me to talk about, feel free to drop it in the comments. I'll definitely try to include and answer them in my upcoming videos.